things in life. Fancy cars and good women who are not my wife. Snorting cocaine on a hooker's ass is one of my favorite ways to pass the time. On your dime. Some will buy off the reef. Live their own life, charged by the hour, and you don't come cheap. Like your average politician, you're in bed right now, you're wishing that you hadn't voted me in the second time. If I get caught up, just have to resign. Well, I won't get in too much trouble, no, I won't serve any time. And I still get to keep all of my loot, cars, Cuban cigars, and Italian suits, all thanks to you. Fancy cars and good women who are not my wife. Snorting cocaine up a hooker's ass is one of my favorite